This brand is a part of Trane Technologies and the units are made in the USA through a joint venture, NAYSST, with Mitsubishi Electric. The models that are available in Canada use old technology while the USA models use the state-of-the-art technology from Mitsubishi Electric. This joint venture setup with the branding seems ridiculous and there are better options out there. The 4TYK6 models are basic cooling only single zone units while the 4TXK6 are heat pumps and both are only sold in Canada. The 4TXK38 model is a premium single zone heat pump with a 38 SEER efficiency rating, but it is also only sold in Canada. The 4TXM6 is a basic heat pump that can serve up to 5 zones while the 4TXM23 is a premium unit and both models are only sold in Canada. In the USA, the NAYSST cooling only and NAXSPB heat pump units are co-branded with both the Mitsubishi Electric and American Standard names on the units. They are both premium units that can serve single zones and have washable allergen filters.